Hey guys, Greg here with a quick tutorial video. What I wanted to show you guys today was how you can use the TD Ameritrade income estimator to start building a portfolio for your dividend stocks and a little bit about dividend investment. So first off, how do you get here? You go to the TD Ameritrade website, okay? Log into your account. This is not the Thinkorswim platform, okay? And then you're going to go to symbol lookup, look up anything here. I've already pulled up DMP, which you can see is a very flat um, yielding dividend stock. So you can see that looking through here, we've got quite a bit of information. Do your own due diligence. When talking about divs, remember, first off, I'm not a financial analyst. I'm just here to help you guys make some cash and share my ideas with you. So first off, ex-dividend date. This is the date that you got to be on the book. Okay, dividend pay date. That's the day that the cash shows up in your account. Remember, you got to be in a long position. So do your own due diligence on here. What we want to do is go up to the income estimator. This will be under any ticker anyways. Okay, click the income estimator. Let's make it full screen. Cool. And note that you can either pull up positions that you have, your current positions, or you can pull up watch lists too that you built up on the Thinkorswim platform, or you can just search over here for a symbol. I think it's pretty cool that you can pull up your Thinkorswim watch list on here. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull up one that I've put together right now here, which are some fairly flat, high yielding dividend stocks. So yeah, I like this because you can start coming in here and you can start building a portfolio and get an idea of what your monthly yield and annual yield will be on the dividends. Remember that you can also opt to go for the TD Ameritrade reinvestment program, which allows you to not receive it in cash, but additional shares of the security. So that's up to you and your investing objectives. But yeah, nonetheless. So how does this work? Let's go to like for senior trust on here. I'm gonna put here just let's put in a 1,000 shares, and you'll see here that it shows you the market value. Okay. Um, estimated income right here. What I really like here is the visual aspect of it up here, where you can see each month what it's paying out. Um, and then when you start building up and adding other securities into your portfolio, you'll see the balance that it comes out with. Because I got quite lucky on FCT because they're paying out every single month at the same rate. If we want to pull up another one that's paying a little bit differently, we could pull in. We can take a look at IVR. And again, do your own due diligence on this. This is paying out at an 8.9%. Let's put in 1,000 shares of that and just calculate income. Oh, pardon me. But you'll see that not every div is paying exactly at the same time. So I just wanted to highlight that with IVR. So in terms of building a balanced one, you can use this to start building a nice dividend portfolio that is going to be constantly generating cash at a much higher rate than parking it in the bank. It's also going to help you with your buying power on TD Ameritrade. That's use that at your own risk, but yeah. So you can see DMP. I'm going to go ahead and pick up. Let's put in 3,000 shares of that. We'll see that's market value here. So calculate income. Every time you add something in here, you're going to have to recalculate the income on here. So we can put in MMT, put 2,000 shares of MMT in here. And again, this is for anybody who's in, investing objectives. But you can see what it starts to build when we have multiple securities in here. And we'll add ACP as a fan of mine. We'll add 1,000 shares. 1,500 shares of that. Trying to get close to $50,000 on here, $60,000 on here, and you can see the fluctuations that it's paying out at. Okay, you can see what the annual income is looking like, and you can build this up at your own rate. But considering what the banks are paying out right now and the stability of the market, you know, personally, I'm a fan of some of these flat dividend stocks that pay every single month, as you can start to build a nice portfolio that consistently is growing, or adding into a fund and giving you passive income. So hope you guys found that helpful. One thing to note before I sign off is if you want to add, if you have a watch list on here and you're doing some more due diligence, or some more research on your stocks, you can just you can pull it up on here. So I'll just pull up, for example, if you are holding like a larger position of another security like NVIDIA, you can just click NVIDIA, click the ticker, hit add. You'll note that that comes up here at the bottom. Okay, and it'll default at 100 shares on here, so you can see you can add anything in here as you're going along, to build your portfolio if you just want to compare and contrast. So yeah, do your research as you see fit. These are just merely ideas what I put together on here, but so yeah, that was in the video. We haven't calculated the income, so calculate there. You'll see the video has been taken back off, and we're back at that kind of at a small portfolio that I put together right here. So yeah, hope you guys found that helpful, and yeah, invest with your own strategy and risk at mind. All right, have a good day.